400 grams of rice flour.
200. 200.
200 grams of flour for steamed rice roll. 1.5 liters of water. Good night, 200 grams, right?
200 gram. Okay.
200 grams. Okay.
Đấy thôi, rồi ngâm.
Để bao nhiêu lâu?
Được 2 hour, 3 hour. 4 hour cũng được, tùy mình.
Thì nhưng mà phải ngâm. At least 2 hours.
Làm ngay cũng được, nhưng mà 2 hour.
Half a teaspoon of what?
Muối.
Of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of oil. Okay. 1 teaspoon of oil. Okay.
Máy lên. Rồi.
Okay.
Đấy.
1 pound.
1 pound thịt.
1 pound of ground beef. And a bowl of dried black fungus mushrooms. Okay, like a bowl of dry black fungus. You can put a lot or you can put a little depending on if you like the fungus.
2 onion.
2 onions, and then we'll fry these ingredients together.
Bóp rửa sạch đi.
Thì mami làm ướt xong rồi rửa sạch đi.
Ngâm cái này thì ngâm 1 hour hay half hour, okay?
Okay, soak for 1 hour to a half. So this one is like a thinner version of the fungus, and it gets soft really quick. So she only had to soak it for half an hour. But some of them are like really thick, depending on what brand you buy. If it's really thick and it's not soft, you have to do it for at least 2 hours. Okay. Okay, so
hai củ hành cắt này.
my mom already cut 2 onions into small pieces, and now we're cutting the fungus in small pieces. 1 clove of scallions. Heat up the pan with oil. A tablespoon of garlic. Nhiều thịt không sao? Mami để con nhiều thịt.
Nhiều thịt nữa rồi.
1 teaspoon of pepper. Okay. 1, 2, 3,
4
teaspoons of chicken rock salt. Now the onion and the fungus. 2 more minutes of
2 minutes.
5 more minutes, and it should be done. After you put the onion and the fungus in. She has a pot here, and then she fills it up full of water to the fabric that she has for the steaming.
Make very tight. Đó ra. Chưa chặt. Chưa chặt. Đấy, nó vẫn trùng ok. Nó mình phải buộc thêm cái nữa. Kéo mình nữa là kéo kiểu thế nữa, ok. Xong, con bếp nấu mắm này.
Oh my god. That's like 1 cup.
Không biết
1 cup. 1.5 cup of water.
1.5. Ồ, cái này là gần
1.5
cup.
cup. 1.5 cup. No, one cup. 1 cup. 1 vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar.
1 cup thôi.
1 cup of vinegar.
Nếm thử cho nó kia.
Đây. Okay, so now we're ready to make the food. You bring the water to a boil, put 1 spoon, put it on the fabric, has to be on high heat. Once you see the steam coming out from the lid, open it real quick.
Không có cái ở trên nó mới chảy nước xuống. Còn cái chỗ đấy mình có. Khi nó lại hơi nó ở lên. Cái chỗ này
Too fast. Đánh quá.
làm thế còn nào được. Ok. Hello. Em. Dạ.